In the last lecture, we learned about multi-key indexes. In MongoDB, we have a special type of multi-key index called as text index. So in this lecture, let's learn about text index and how it is useful. Let's go to Mongo shell, and in order to understand text indexes, we need some dummy data. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this show collections command in this e-shopping database. And here we have this products collection. So I'm going to drop this products collection. For that, I can say db.products.drop. If I press enter, the products collection should be dropped. And if I run show collections command again, now we should not see any products collection. Now let me go ahead and let me create a products collection. So for that, I'll say db, or in order to save some time, I have already written that command here. So I want to create a products collection, a new products collection, and in that I want to insert some product data, some product documents. And each document is going to have a name field, a description field, and a price field. Okay, so here we have only 3 documents. So that should be okay to understand text indexes. So let me go ahead and let me copy this command. Let me paste it here. And if I press enter, it should insert these 3 documents with these object IDs in this products collection. Let's clear the shell here and let's go ahead and let's query the products collection. So it has returned us these 3 documents. Now what I want is, from this products collection, I want to find that document which contains, basically whose description contains maybe smart in it. So whichever product's description contains this word smart in it, I want to fetch those documents. Here, if I go ahead and if I press enter, it has returned us nothing. Because here, when we are specifying this description field, we don't have any document in this products collection where the description is simply smart. Okay, this is the description of the product. This is the description of the product, and this is the description of another product. So if we want to search for a document, we need to specify the complete value. If we want to search a specific word or a text in the description field of a product, we will have to use regular expressions. So here, what I can do is I can use regular expression. And to use regular expression, instead of single quotes or double quotes, we need to use backslash like this. Okay, and now if I go ahead and if I press enter, it has returned us 2 documents whose description contains smart in it. So using the regular expression, we are able to properly fetch the documents. But the problem with regular expression is performant inefficient. That means when you use regular expression in your queries, it basically slows down the performance of the query. So it is not recommended to use regular expressions in your query unless it is very necessary. So the solution here will be to create a text index. A text index in MongoDB is a specialized index that enables efficient full text search on a string field within a collection. It allows you to search for specific words or phrases within text content, making it ideal for application that requires powerful search capabilities. So for example, let's say we have this users collection. In this users collection, we have some user documents. And in this user document, we have name, age, gender, and country field. And we also have this bio field. And this bio field stores a string value. So we have this bio field for all the documents. Now, what if we want to search for all those user documents where the bio field contains this value sports? For that, what we can do is we can create a text index on this bio field of users collection. So for example, for this first document, the bio field will look something like this. Now, when we will create a text index on the bio field of this user document, what the text index does is it takes important words from the string value and it creates an array with those words, and then it creates a multi-key index with that array, something like this. So when we have created a text index on this bio field, as you can see, from this string value, from this bio field, it has taken important words like play, sports, cooking, etc. And based on that, it has created these elements in the index. So this is also a multi-key index. And the important point to note here is that it does not take the stop words, like it does not take I, to, and, or, me, something like that. It will not take those values. If we take an example of the second document, in this case also, if we take a look at this bio field, this is how the bio field looks like. So since we have created a text index on the bio field, the important words from the string value will be taken, and with that a multi-key index will be created. So the index is already there. With that, the pointers will be created in that multi-key index, in this text index. Okay, so I hope you have got the gist of how the text index gets created. Now let's go ahead and let's create a text index on the description field in our example. So let's go to Mongo shell. Let's clear everything here. And now we want to create an index on the products field, on the products collection. And to create an index, we use create index method. There we need to specify how do we want to create the index. Here we want to create an index on the description field. So here we have specified the field name, and we can specify 1 or -1. But here we don't need to specify 1 or -1. Here if we specify 1 or -1, what it will do is it will create an index on this description field, and that index will be used only when we specify the complete value for the description field. Okay, if we want to search for some words or some text phrases from within that description field, in that case this index will not be used, and we don't want that. So here we want to create a text index. So here what we need to do is, to this description field we need to specify text like this, and in this way it is going to create a text index on this description field. So whenever we will search for a text phrase or a word, it will directly go to this description field and it will look for those words or those text phrases in order to filter the documents. So let me go ahead and let me press enter here, and you can see a text index has been created on the description field with the name description text. Now let's go ahead and let's try to query the document, and here we want to find a document where, let's say, the description field contains smart in it. Now here we cannot go ahead and we can say this as smart. In this way it is not going to do a text search. For text search, what we need to do is, we talked about this $text operator. So first we need to use this $text operator. To this we assign an object. In there we use $search operator, because here we want to search for a text, and we want to search for a text in a text index. Okay, so here we specify the search operator, and here the spelling is wrong. Okay, and now we will specify the value. So here I'm going to specify the value as smart. If I go ahead and if I press enter, it has returned us all the documents where the description field contains smart in it, as you can see. And one more thing to note here is that the value which you specify here, it is case insensitive. So you can specify value in any way. For example, if I go ahead and if I specify the value as something like this, it does not make any difference because the values are saved in the index in lowercase. So these values will be first converted to lowercase and then the search will happen. If I press enter, it is still returning us these same two documents. Okay. Now here you might ask why we are not using the field name here. Because here we want to search for all the documents where the description field contains this word smart. So why are we not specifying the field name here? Well, the reason is you can only have one text index per collection. You cannot have more than one text index per collection because text indexes are pretty expensive. And since you're doing a text search, MongoDB will know which index to use, because here we are doing a text search on the products collection, and on the products collection there is only one text index which we have created, which is this description text. So MongoDB knows that it has to use this index for searching all the documents. And from this index, MongoDB will also know in which field it has to look for this word, because we have created this index on the description field. So MongoDB will know from there that it has to look into the description field for this word. Okay, so that's why we don't need to explicitly specify the field name here. All right, now what will happen if I search for maybe smart and also watch? So here I'm searching for smartwatch. If I go ahead and if I press enter, it is still returning us two documents. So in the first document, we have this word smart, but we don't have this word watch. But this is also filtered. And this is how the filtering will happen when you use text index. Whatever words you will specify here, it will look for each word. It is not going to take that as a phrase and look for that phrase. Instead, it is going to look for each word which you have specified here in the description field of all the documents. And then it is going to filter it. So for example, this first document does not have watch in it, but it has this word smart. So that's why it is also filtered. In the second document, we have smartwatch. We have both the words. So that's why it is filtered. But if you want to do a text phrase search, so if you want to search for only those documents which contains smartwatch, that you can do by wrapping the words within double quotes. Now here we are already using a double quote. So first we will have to escape it. For that we can use backslash and then the double quote. And we also need a closing double quote. So again we can use backslash and double quote. So here we are escaping these double quotes. If I go ahead and if I press enter, you see now it is returning us only those documents which contains this phrase smartwatch in it. And now let's say you want to filter for those documents which contain smart in it, but which does not contain watch. So if you want to find the documents which does not contain a word, the word which you want to omit, you can use this hyphen before it, minus sign. So in this case, what MongoDB will do is it will return you all those documents which contain smart, but which does not contain this watch. So if I go ahead and if I run this command, it should return us only one document where the description contains smart in it, but not watch. And if you see, we also have one document where the description contains smart and it also contains watch in it. So that document has not been returned here because our requirement is we only want to fetch those documents where the description contains this word smart, but not this word watch. So in this way, you can also omit some words by using this minus sign before it. So I hope with these examples, now you know what is a text index, how it works, and how you can create a text index, and also how you can query documents based on text index. This is all from this lecture. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.